Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can fix this call problem when my voice is not coming for them. How you can fix this problem. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the settings, click on apps and click on manage apps. Here you have to type phone. It will fix your problem. Click on phone. First you have to enable this three dot button and click on this show all apps and click on phone. Here it is. You have to just clear the cache of it. Then you have to clear cache this phone services. Clear cache this, press back and click on phone and messaging storage. Press back, you have to type here system. And simply then you have to clear cache this Android system, and here it is Android system web view. Clear cache this and this will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.